Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone camera if it is inverted on any iPhone. Now, if you open the camera app and if you take a selfie on your iPhone, and if the pictures of the selfie come out inverted, and if you want to fix this issue, just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, you will find the option of camera. Just tap on it. Now from here, just enable mirror front camera. Now, once you enable this toggle, now if you go to your home screen and open the camera app, now if we capture a selfie, now as you can see the picture is coming out exactly as it is shown in the preview. And you can always disable this option by going to the settings. From here just go to camera and disable mirror front camera. Now if you go back to the camera app, as you can see the pictures are inverted back on your iPhone. Now you also have another options to fix this issue. Now for that, just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now just select a photo which you want to fix, then tap on the Edit button. From here, just tap on Crop, then tap on this icon over here. Now if you tap on this icon, you can invert the photo manually. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on Done. And this is how you can fix iPhone camera if it is inverted on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.